Now I've got the ring and the bracelet shaped. I'm ready to get it ready to attach to the back of the bezel. But in order to do that, I'm going to take and flip my bezel over, and you can see I've got that nice round ring, but I've got to get it flat so that I can place it on my bezel, and right now it won't lay flat. So I'm going to take a flat sided or a flat file, and I'm going to take the edge that I soldered right here, and I'm going to slide it up the slide it down is what I'm doing. Sliding it down the file to get that nice and flat. And so I'll continue to do that. Do that until I can get that flat edge sitting so that I can solder it to that back of that bezel. So just keep filing. And I would do the same thing with the bracelet. Like I'm pretty close. I can place that bezel and it lays pretty flat onto that ring.